Hey everybody, this is Max Farrow, and this is the OIO publisher and how to add your own ad code to your system or your default ads for your own site. Okay, so what I need you to do is either pause the video and log into your back office of your city. It'll take a couple seconds. Okay, here we are. And on the left-hand side, you want to scroll down to where it says OIO publisher. And we want to add your ad, so go to Add Server. Okay, this will bring up the page, and you want to look for banner ad code and configure settings. That's the big thing. All this is sort of in real time, so bear with us a little. Okay, now if you see there is it says banner zone here. This is really important. This is for the Niagara. We're using this as a test feature, but there's variant sizes. So you want to see the 468 by 60. If you don't know your sizes on your site, here's what they are: 468 by 60, 300 by 250 on the right, 728 by 98, 300 by 250, 728 by 98. And again, these ad sizes are in the training stuff, so you'll be able to see them. Now that's just for the home page. We've also set up now a secondary zoning system for other pages, like here on the channels page. So it goes home page, and then excuse me, home page, and then the rest of the site. So you got one group of ads that just plays on the home page, and all the rest of the ads will appear on the rest of the site. Okay, so that's the zoning. So there are two different pricing structures in there as well. Okay. Now, as you see here, we got the 468 by 60 pulled up. So let's pause here for a second. Here, we're back. If we scroll down a little bit, you're going to start seeing all the different fundamentals here that this ad system can provide. Naming your ad, changing the price, all that stuff. But we're not really worried about that at the moment. Let's go down to where it says default ads. And you see here where you have one default ad here. And this is where the spot we're going to be placing your code. Well, right now it's set up in the image section. So go ahead and this is where you can place an image ad. And we'll show you how to do that in a later video. So go ahead and click on the little arrow and go to HTML code. Now, where's your HTML code go? And where does that come from? Well, if you're in like the Trinity network where most of our people are from, you would go to your page here on the Trinity system. But in most cases, you'll go to banners and links. In most cases, you'll have ad code from CPA offers or Commission Junction or what have you. So let's scroll down and find your 468 by 60 banner. And usually in the code, you can tell what it is. Okay, so here we are. So that's a bigger banner. So see where it says 468 right there? That's the banner code you want. So you want to basically select all of this. Okay. Oops, I hit paste, undo. Okay, now here, copy. You want to copy all this code that was in that box, go back to your site, and hit paste. Now, once you got that code in there, make sure that you have all the tags in. Make sure that you have little right brackets there. They're all in there. And then just hit update settings. Now, if we go back to the front part of your site, now you can go back to the front part of your site really easy. Just scroll up and go to where it has the name of your site, all the way up, and right click and go open a new tab. This will bring up a new tab right next to it, so you can see if your ad is playing right away. And there it is. Okay. Now, this ad was completely just set up on the front page. So if you go here, click here, and you see where it says 468 rest of site. Okay, that's what one we want to set up next. So basically, it's the same exact code, if you wanted it to be, for the rest of the site. So once you select that size, you'll come down here, change the HTML. You'll just hit paste. There goes all the code. Okay. All right. So remember, you have two ad zone systems. You have the home page and you have rest of site. Okay. Now let's go ahead and just try to find and build the next set of site or next set of ads into the system. So let's go down to 728 by 90 top, and that's for the home page. Okay, come in here and you'll select all the code. Select all the code. Copy. Okay, now now that you've selected 728 by 90 top on the home page, you come all the way down, you hit HTML, right click and paste. Okay. And then you'll hit update. Make sure your code structure is there. And that's where a lot of people make the mistake, is that they forget one little bracket in there, which is fine. And click update settings. This is going to bring you back to the home page again. Okay, refresh. Okay, and there we go. There's the top banner up, and there's a 728 by 90. Now remember, you have multiple sections and multiple places that you can place your ads. You click on the ad, so you make sure that it comes to your site. And that's basically it. You have multiple areas, multiple zones. Practice with it. If you have any problems, call customer service. We'll be more than happy to help you. Hopefully this really helps you out. Look at some of the other videos that we got going on too, because we're going to have a lot more information for you. I'm Max Farrow, and this is Our City Radio, how to use your OIO publisher. Thank you.